In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your debit card to Apple Pay. So to actually use Apple Pay, you double click on the power button on the left and it will open up your Apple Pay wallet. But if you've got no cards on there, you won't obviously be able to pay. To add cards, you want to find the wallet app on your phone. So for me, the easiest way to do that is to swipe down and search for it. So if I search for wallet, we can find it here. Now, once we're in wallet, we can click on the plus icon. And then what you can do is you can add your debit and credit card here. So click on that button. Then you can go ahead and use the feature built into your iPhone to essentially tap your card on your iPhone and it will recognize the details. So if we click continue, you just have to hold your card near your phone and then it's going to recognize the chip and it will then figure out your card details after it's issued or contacted the card issuer. We can go ahead and agree to these terms here. And there you go. As you can see, the card has been added. Now you are going to have to verify your number for you to actually be able to make purchases on this. This is for a security measure. So they're going to send you a message to the phone number associated with your card. Go ahead and click next and fill that in and you'll be able to then use your card. If you click continue verification later, your card will be added, but it won't be working until you verify.